Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cruising Cultures. Today, I've got my good pal Jeff working with me. So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be working on the fuel lines. We finally got the infamous other carburetor in, so we're gonna be putting that back together. And you can see the engine bay looks a little different. We've done some improvement. We've done some painting. So, I guess we'll go ahead and get started by trying to get the fuel system put back in. So
start
Jeff,
getting that fuel line.
Perfect.
Alrighty.
Here we go. Time for Tetris.
I was never good at geometry.
Well,
Like it.
there it is.
I'll get this started down here. And I'm there.
Nice.
Let me go ahead and get all this tightened up. Alrighty.
Oh, goodness.
The fighting.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So one thing we've done is after we've done the new gas tank, we've also ran a new gas line and we bumped it up. It was, what, quarter inch?
Quarter
I
inch.
think it was a quarter-inch hard line ran all the way from the tank up. So now we bumped it up to a 5/16.
Yeah, 5/16 rubber from the tank all the way to pretty much the fuel pump, trying to get a little bit more volume so the engine doesn't have to work as hard to pull it.
And we also put new filters in. So we want to make sure if we didn't get the tank fully cleaned out, which we probably didn't because it was disgusting.
Yeah, it was. Still
So,
can't believe you touched it again in that bucket.
yep, still need shots from that. But so I got 2 filters on this just for now. So that's fine. That's fine. Doesn't matter. So perfect. I guess
You wanna
now
do wiring, or we want to go ahead and try to get the carb on.
I say I'll pass the wires up. Then once I pass them up, I'll
I'll
try
reach down and grab them.
and then before we go through, I'll try to put them through that new grommet. Oh boy. At least they're small.
Yeah.
At least they're small.
Nothing like wrestling a monster wire on a cold day.
Not at all.
1, 2. Get off of that.
Get your all. Go back. Go back. Alrighty.
So we're switching it up on the rubber grommet. The factory one's a little bit small to house the monster cables. So thinking outside the box, we got a desk plate knockout thing.
Adapter mater.
Yeah. It's got a bigger hole in it. We can adjust it later on. We can silicone it, keep moisture and everything out of the engine bay. You want me to feed it on this side, or you want to do it on that side?
I would say let's start the wires through it and let the wires say how, because I think they're going to be routed something like that, roughly.
Yeah.
So
You can always pin them back on something later on.
say we just let fate decide, right?
Let's do it. Still
that is tight.
Oh, this is gonna be the fun part.
This one's for you, Dad.
Get that like that.
Okay, so I can go ahead and
Alright, I'm gonna try to knock this guy in here. I'm gonna attempt to.
okay.
It is not liking it. do you think? Persuader?
I think she's gonna need a little persuasion, huh?
Yep. So what we got? Move the drawers over here. Gotta move your ladder back. Big rubber mallet, small rubber mallet. Try not to.
Well, that came off, so
That's fine.
that's removable.
Alright.
It's might be a little too big, huh?
Just a little bit. It's there. It's just not all the way through. It's. Oh, it's gonna come back out.
So it's out.
It's out. Still in one piece.
Well, do we got the old one that was there,
What it looked like.
kind of blown out.
I say let's drop these back through, and then we'll try to find something a little bit better.
So just put it through this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not going to use the new plug, just on this application we're not. So
Not this round.
not this round. So we'll leave the desk parts for the desks next time.
It is so close.
Get out of here. Okay. Good old blowout. Heavy rolling.
Already came out again.
Huh?
It already came out. Come on now. Got it.
Nailed it.
Alright, now where to? You can go ahead and tighten them all down.
Yeah.
That 9/16, 5/8.
What's a 9/16? And then boat. Oh, sounds good.
A pizza.
Pizza or chili dog.
I could go for either.
Or both, you know? You know, why do we have to just...
Why you gotta have just one?
Exactly. It's the land of the free.
Yeah. What do you guys prefer? Pizza or chili dogs?
Chili dog.
Comment down below, let us know.
Chili dog's already won, I can tell you.
I don't know. That'd be a tight race. I think that's almost nation divided.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, perfect.
But still later on, I'd like to get something and pin these back.
I think we should have done the gas line. We should have done the wires first and then the gas line, huh?
Well, how can I do this end again? Because then I can just...
Or I'll just undo these wires and we'll go underneath the gas line.
Same amount of work.
Same as at first, but everything's backwards this time.
That round was just for practice, everybody.
Just seeing how
Make
it
sure they
works.
fit.
Yep. Test pop is what they call it. Test pop. Picky.
Alright.
Watch it not even work. It'd be funny. And they're like, it's because you guys are talking about stinky chili dogs. Alright, yeah, I'm getting a chili dog.
That does sound good.
I know, I win. See, even between us, I just won.
That's fine. It's kind of like arguing with a woman.
Oh! Is it the hair?
Flowing locks. Okay. That one's back out.
Retrieval. And then under over loop, swoop, and pull.
Up. Pretzel knot.
Just that easy.
Bend it.
See? Just
Back
that,
through.
just that easy. Nothing to complain about.
Oh, now it's a little bit tighter.
Don't complain yet.
Just a little.
Ain't no reason to complain. It ain't tough
Now you
yet.
got me thinking about chili dogs.
I know. Now you can complain because I want a chili dog.
It sounds good. If we disappear for a little bit, guys,
Don't
it's
bend
because-
that. I need that.
No, I'm not being mad.
Do that.
I can't get the.
You hear my stomach growling? Mercy
Yeah.
sakes.
Feel the truck vibrating.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Get it on there. That's how you become professional at things. If you do it multiple times, right?
Yeah. It's all about repetition.
Yep. Oh, come on. Come on. Here it is. Got it.
I swear we've been here once before.
Yeah.
About 2.5 minutes ago.
Just about.
It's just a rough guess.
Yeah. Was we talking about food?
I don't know. Oh, cannot wait to be cruising around in this.
All right. It's getting close.
You done for the second time yet?
Almost.
Getting there?
Yep. Just remember that doggone righty tighty lefty loosey thing.
Always going backwards. I don't know my left and right.
No.
I just kind of make it up as I go.
Okay. So,
Alright.
time for the infamous brand new
Other carburetor.
carburetor.
And the base is already clean and all of that.
Yep. Yep, you got that.
See if I can open this.
Perfect. Good.
Sealed for freshness, everybody.
Thank you, California Corvair. I got a lot of these parts from California Corvair. Worth checking out.
There's their stuff if you guys can see that. Gasket.
Gasket.
Uh,
I do got new nuts and washers for that.
it's a tight fit on the gasket. Means it'll run better.
Oh yeah.
Not really.
Oh yeah.
Goal for today is to hear this thing run. Fuel in its own tank. Not just a tank in the back of the truck. Hopefully no leaks. Hopefully we can get to it today where you guys can hear it for the first time with us.
Oh.
Okay. What's our line and everything looking like? Feels a wee bit high. Let me see that 9/16 again. I'll rotate that down. Oh, that's snug back up. Need the half. See if when we snug it up, if it'll.
I got nuts and bolts for them.
Sweet.
Chromey.
Yeah, a little chrome pop everywhere. Come on.
Put that right your way.
That's fine.
Perfect.
That's fine. I'll just work around it.
Y'all do. Those was the right one.
You know, sounds good right now.
Chili dog.
A chili dog.
Yup.
Sounds pretty good.
Yup.
Where can we get a good chili dog?
I don't say so.
No.
No.
Their hot dogs taste like they're fake anymore.
Pretty sure it is.
Probably is.
Well, those ain't the right size. Hmm.
Oh yeah, that is there.
Nailed it.
Starting to look like a complete truck again.
Almost.
Alright, now I just gotta find a flathead. Start putting this linkage on.
There. I was also thinking about bringing that. You know, I could always bring this like
Down at
around.
the bottom.
Yeah, I could cut a longer tube and just bring it totally around the block.
We'll see what it all looks like.
Yeah.
Let's see where it's comfy. Gotta keep the cars comfy, everybody.
Oh yeah. Should we pull it off now?
I gotta get
Gotta get.
the driver.
Gotta get.
I guess in the description you're gonna have to put today's topic: chili dogs.
Sure. I swear, If you keep bringing it up, this video.
You brought it up first.
This video is gonna get shorter and shorter.
It is gonna get shorter.
It's gonna happen.
If it gets shorter, guys, I apologize. Got chili dogs on the mind.
Just a little bit.
Okay. So this one needs.
Take that.
Right there. And that needs. This one's loose. I'll tighten this one down too. This one never tightened that one. Can I get a ratchet in there? Nope. Okay, mine's got to come off. You know what we should have done before this?
Ate a chili dog.
No?
Oh.
Don't you have a new pulley for this?
I do.
Good thing it's not connected yet.
I do. My bad.
There you go. That should be enough room right there. Alright.
Alright.
What is that, 3/8?
3/8. Gotcha.
Where's that guy hiding at? You already got it in there?
Starting back here. Aha.
Big on
Jesse,
Big
get something
on.
less. Alrighty.
Glad I wasn't leaning over here right then.
That would have been sweet chin music.
That would not have been a chili dog.
Here we go. Yeah. There we go. So we're gonna go with a new chrome one. Once again, California Corvair's hooked it up on this, so here we go. I'm gonna bring some life into her. So there's like a little ring around these things. And then whenever they sit down over on top of the fan, this is a fan pulley. And whenever they sit down over top of it, you want to kind of snug it up. And then once you get all 4 holes lined up, then you'll kind of just pop it down on top.
All you.
There it was.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's all the way there now.
Perfect.
Don't know if you guys heard the pop or not, but it's like it's locking into place where it's centered or something. Wasn't really around when they designed this, so it's our closest guess. Keep adding chrome bits and pieces. I'm gonna have to start wearing my sunglasses.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to put sunscreen on every time I go in.
Yeah.
Alrighty, little pop, little flare. Oh.
Now let's see if I can get this on there without scratching it up. That'd be cool.
Face is cool.
I try.
You're scratching it already.
Yeah, figures.
Not comfortable with this. Doesn't matter.
It's fine.
Just chrome, right?
It's just chrome.
Just chrome.
They sell that in spray cans.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nothing but the best.
That's right.
I guess they don't have it in spray cans. They got it in tape.
Yeah.
You know.
It's probably pretty expensive.
I bet.
It's ridiculous how expensive everything's getting, tape-wise.
I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this down. It ain't gonna be in your way.
Mm-mm. We're good. Just keep on. A little piece here, a little piece there. Sarah already lost a screwdriver again.
Man.
But that would have been a lie.
Yep. You think there's like a real life Joe Dirt?
I don't know.
If there is, that'd be a fun fella to meet, you know it?
It would be.
And if he ain't driving a Dodge.
I know, it's almost like the poorest guys choose the most expensive vehicles, I guess.
The coolest, you mean?
Somewhere along them lines.
Coolest vehicles, coolest guys. Oh yeah, check this out.
What we got?
I got this little piece here.
What is that for?
These things
Oh,
are
is that
usually
Got the cover?
they usually break off on a lot of Corvairs you'll see at car shows, or heck, even if you got one.
So would that be?
This is the dust cover for like the manual choke.
Now I need to find my other screws. Where's my other screws?
There's some.
Yes.
Booyah, look at that. Huh? Come on.
Fancy.
Yeah. Now, whenever you guys are at car shows and you look at a Corvair, look for this piece. I don't know.
Which have you already filled all of the people in on our car show we're going to in May?
No. So there'll be a first annual V-Dub car show May 9th through 11th. I know Mother's Day weekend and I know my birthday. It's fine, guys. Friday and Saturday's open. I mean, Sunday's Mother's Day, so it's going to be down at Thousand Hills in Branson, Missouri. We're going to make a little bit of a drive to get down there, but we got invited to a V-Dub car show. I'm a V-Dub nut, so I've got to do it. Rear engine, air cooled, so we fit the criteria, except for that we're made in America. So we're gonna go there, just ruffle some feathers and have a good time. But yeah, May 9th through 11th, Branson, Missouri, Thousand Hills, first annual V-Dub car show. Look for us. Say hi. Come by. We'll eat a chili dog. Come
We
on.
might have to bring an ice chest.
Come
with some chili.
on.
We got a generator. We can bring a microwave.
Boom. Just gotta boil some water. Seen it done many ways.
Oh yeah. This screw is not in a fun location.
So we might not make it because Jeff can't get this screw in, but it's fine. We've got time.
Hey,
Hey,
200th of a turn at a time will get you there.
it's fine. So just take your time. The people are waiting for us to get to the car show.
That's fine. That's fine. Wonder how long it'll been since this truck has drove that far.
Oh man. I just want to know how long it's been since this truck has drove.
Yeah.
And now that we've got brakes,
Clean fuel
clean
system.
fuel, holy moly.
Well, still working on the fuel if I ever get this screw in.
Yeah, currently under.
Come on, little guy. Get in there. Come on. Almost there. Almost there. Whoever decided needed a 4-inch bolt for a 16th inch piece of metal bracket.
Don't be a quitter.
Boy, I tell you what.
Don't be a quitter. Just quit instead, Jeff.
Should have took the grinder to it.
Give up.
Oh boy. We got some actionage.
Let me get some action from the back section.
Yeah.
Body moving.
Had to move the old spring.
Oh.
Sweet. Okay, now I gotta find my linkage rod. Where's the old carb at?
Right here.
That linkage is still on there. I need to.
Got it in this fancy top of the notch fuel bag.
Best one money can buy.
You have to pay for those?
Well,